Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhojpuri Vertical. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous, beautiful Bhojpuri actress Neelam Giri. So today I edit her Bhojpuri song and the song name is Lap Lap Kamar Tohar Kare, and I edit this song with 4K 60 FPS in vertical frame, and I covering all the angle of Neelam Giri in this video. So Lap Lap Kamar Tohar Kare is a popular Bhojpuri song that has gained significant attention and views on music platforms like Gaana and JioSaavn. The songs feature a catchy melody, energetic beat, and lyrics that revolve around theme of love and relationship. With its unique blend of traditional and modern element, Lap Lap Kamar Tohar Kare has become a standout track in the Bhojpuri music scene. The song feature is a catchy melody and a mix of traditional modern instrument. The music is energetic and upbeat, making it a perfect dancing and singing along. There are multiple versions of Lap Lap Kamar Tohar Kare available, featuring artist Neelam Giri. The version can be found on platforms like YouTube and JioSaavn. The song has gained significant views in and engagement on music platforms, with many fans appreciating its catchy melody and energetic beat. The song's popularity can be attributed to its catchy lyrics, memorable melody, and the energetic performance of the artist. You can stream or download Lap Lap Kamar Kare Tohar Kare on music platforms like Gaana and JioSaavn. The song is also available on YouTube with various versions and cover uploaded by artists and fans. In conclusion, Lap Lap Kamar Tohar Kare is popular Bhojpuri song that has gained significant attention and view on music platform. The song's catchy melody, energetic upbeat, and lyrics that revolve around theme of love and relationship had made it a fan favorite. With multiple versions available, the song continues to be popular choice for music lovers. Lap Lap Kamar Tohar Kare is a standout track in the Bhojpuri music scene, with its catchy melody and energetic beat and lyrics that revolve around theme of love and relationship. With multiple versions available, the song continues to be popular choice for music lovers. Lap Lap Tohar Kamar Kare is rich with playful and flirtatious theme. The lyrics often revolve around love and attraction and joyous moment shared between individuals. This relatability is a significant factor in the song popularity, as many listeners can see reflection of their own experience in the lyrics. The language used is accessible yet poetic, making it enjoyable for both native Bhojpuri speakers and those less familiar with dialect. The vocal performance in Lap Lap Tohar Kamar Kare is another standout features. The singer brings a lovely energy to the track, infusing it with passion and enthusiasm. The vocal delivery complements the music perfectly, enhancing the overall impact of the songs. The harmonies and backing vocal add depth, creating a fuller sound that resonates with the audience. Visually, the music video of Lap Lap Tohar Kamar Kare is likely to be colorful and dynamic representations of the song theme. Expert vibrant costumes, lovely choreography, and a festive atmosphere that capture the spirit of the song. Music, playful video, crucial role in Bhojpuri song as the not only showcase artists but also bring the lyrics and music to a life. A well-produced video can elevate the song's popularity, making it more shareable and memorable. Overall, Lap Lap Kamar Tohar Kare is a delightful addition to the Bhojpuri music landscape. Its catchy melody, engaging lyrics, and vibrant visual making it a must-listen for anyone who enjoy lovely and spirit music. So, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.